Lee McComb from Total Roofing and Cladding.
So what have you got out of it with ActionCOACH so far?
Heaps of stuff. Where do you start? Just understanding business, probably the best way to put it. So many aspects to put together, so many moving parts. So it's just about trying to piece it all together. And when you come from just a trade background, you know how to put a roof on, but you don't know how to run a business. So it's been good. So, yeah.
Why did you come today? What do you get out of it?
For a holiday, because we're from Melbourne, so we just thought we'd get a couple of days away. Yeah, we just more for the networking as well. I like to talk to other business owners, you know, and sort of brainstorm it together. And even today, we've learned a few things off other people, which has been good. And you know, ask them questions they've asked us, and just that sort of dialogue helps. Yeah, it's been good. So, yeah.